Taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a gentle made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life, and what does it show? We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a gentle made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good afternoon from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia Septimo. Hi guys, how are you everyone? Today I'm gonna make a Turon merienda. This is yummy and delicious. We're gonna do Turon. This mean is banana plantain red spring roll. This look yummy. Hey guys, this one, okay? And banana, I'm already cut it, okay? Banana plantain, yeah, look at this. Okay, pre-preparein natin siya, it's called Turon. Okay, let's begin guys. Okay guys, ayan. Try na natin yung i-wrap, okay? I want to wrap and I need this water as well. Okay. Unahin natin yung banana. Ayan. Ganyan nilang natin. Okay. Look at that. Just like this. Kailangan natin dito ng sugar as well, okay? Ayan, guys. Lalagyan ko siya ng sugar. I need to put sugar as well. 1 minute. Oh my God. Oh. Hey guys. Lalagyan ko siya ng sugar to be nice and sweet, okay? Wala. Ayan. Marami siya. Ayan. Guys, another one. Yung kasama ko busy kaya ayan guys. Lagyan natin siya ng konting sugar if you like it. The best sweetness. Okay guys. Okay. Ayan. Look amazing, isn't it? I love like this banana. Look at this. I love that. I'm already cut it guys, so easy to, easy to wrap it. It's nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that, amazing. This is really nice for your for your snack. If you love banana, it's gonna be nice. Okay, I love banana. Okay, amazing. Look. Okay, hopefully. I think one more. Okay, guys. Okay. Make sure the pan is ready and really hot oil. Okay, so you can use any kind of oil, like vegetable oils, sunflower oil, or anything. So guys, look at this, amazing. Lagay ko lang siya dito. Okay, dito. Look at this. Lagay ko dito at sayang naman. Yummy, isn't it? Sayang, guys. That's it. Nice, look at this. Couple. Okay, excellent. Okay guys, look at that. Palituin na natin, okay? Just let's spread it. Okay guys, look at this. Lagyan natin yung isa. Haluan, okay? Look at this people. Amazing, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. Just like that. Okay guys, look at this. Amazing, isn't it? Our people. You guys look amazing, yeah? Amazing, yeah? Banana plantains, yummy. Turon. Amazing. Look at this. Nice. It's really good. Amazing. Caramel sugar. Okay guys, look at this. Okay guys, look at this. Oh, amazing. It's look yummy and delicious. This is Turon. Banana fried. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing. Hi guys, look at my recipe. Look amazing and yummy. Good for everyone, for your family, for your merienda, snack. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe and like. Thumbs up. And see you on next video. Mwah! Love you all guys. Bye now. Hola, Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benti, Virginia Luli, Nikki, Marco Cesar, Paola Vera, Sheila Santini, Didi Santana, Shago Salva, Elias Wagner, Piña Come, Mwah!
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
You're the one that tastes all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from